to another one of our collective worship assembly videos. My name's Tabz, it's lovely to be with you today, and we have a great collective worship assembly for you lined up. We've got lots of fun, lots of games, and we're going to be looking at a very important subject of waiting, of being patient. So if you're sitting patiently, let's hand over to Hettie and Emily!
Hi everyone!
Hi!
It is great to have you with us today. We're going to have an awesome time together.
Yes.
We are.
We are.
We really, really are.
Really.
You see,
What?
we're going to do some games and have some fun.
Yes.
I've also got a challenge for you and Tabz.
Another one?
Another
Okay.
one.
Yeah.
And obviously, story,
Obviously.
thought,
Yes.
and a whole lot of fun.
Definitely.
Shall we do it?
I think we should start. Yeah.
Okay, I have a game for you
Get it?
and for you.
Ooh.
Okay, we are going to do a quiz.
Okay.
There is a
Okay.
specific theme to the quiz that you'll probably work out pretty quickly.
How hard are we talking?
Shouldn't be too bad because I'm going to give you two options.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, if you think it is option A, you will either shuffle to this side, or if you can't shuffle around at the moment, then point. Be like, hey. And if you think it's B, you'll obviously shuffle to this side, or point. So then everybody knows what each other thinks is the answer, and then I will reveal the answer.
Yep. That sounds okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
Question number 1.
Okay.
In which film?
Ooh, film.
In
Get
which
it.
film is the story about a girl with 5 distinct emotions?
We spoke about this a couple of weeks ago.
We
Yeah.
did. Is it A, Inside Out, or is it B, Toy Story? Okay, I'm gonna let you shuffle. Which way is she going?
I'm shuffling.
Oh,
this
you're
way.
shuffling that way. The answer is, it is A, Inside Out. Good job. And we did talk about that, so
Well, I
hopefully-
spoke about it.
You spoke about it, so you
So,
should know, really,
yeah.
shouldn't you? Okay, question number 2.
Okay.
In the film Aladdin, Abu is a monkey or a horse? A, monkey, B, horse. Oh, we're going for a horse.
Going horse.
There's quite a few horses in films.
Yeah.
But it's a monkey. Abu's a little monkey. Yeah. Oh well,
Never mind.
good try. Question number 3. In the film Finding Nemo, is Nemo a goldfish, A, or a clownfish, B? Goldfish or clownfish? Goldfish or clownfish? You're going for clownfish. It is a clownfish! Good job. Well done,
Yep.
well done. Okay, number 4, are you ready?
Yep. Ready.
Question number 4. In Toy Story, the piggy bank is called ham or pepperoni? Piggy bank, ham or pepperoni? What do you think? Make your choice now. Oh, Emily's going with ham. It is ham, which just makes sense.
It does make sense.
It's pretty cool, really.
Yeah.
But good job, doing quite well.
Good.
Okay, last one.
Last one.
Ready, last
Fabulous. Yep. Let's go.
one. Okay, question number 5. In the film The Princess and the Frog, is the princess called A, Merida, or B, Tiana? Merida or Tiana?
I'm gonna stay here.
You
staying
think
here.
it's Merida?
Yeah.
It is Tiana.
Oh.
Merida's the one in Brave.
Oh, she is.
Scottish one.
The Scottish.
I'm not going to do an accent because I'm
Yes.
not very good at accents. But you did quite well. Was that
Yeah.
3 out of 5?
3 out of 5.
3 out of 5?
I'll take
Not
that.
bad.
Yeah.
If you got more than 3 out of 5, then you beat Emily. So give yourself a big round of applause. Do you know what time it is?
It is story time, isn't it?
It is story time.
Thought it would
From
be.
Bob Hartman's Rhyming Bible, of course. And we're on week 2 of our Joseph story.
Oh.
So we're going to hear a little bit more
what came
of how things progress.
Okay, shall we
Find
start?
out? Yeah, let's
Yeah.
do it. Okay. Dreams and answers. Joseph dreamed. His brothers schemed. And when it all was through, God dreamed Joseph's dream with him. And Joseph's dream came true.
When Joseph got to Egypt, they sold him as a slave to Pharaoh's captain Potiphar, a soldier strong and brave.
You've served me well, said Potiphar, when many months had passed. So run my household, Joseph, and may our friendship last.
The captain sadly had a wife with eyes for other men. And yes, she fancied Joseph as more than just a friend.
But when she tried to kiss him, quite rightly he said no. She loudly sighed, and then she cried, to Potiphar I'll go.
Dear husband, she lied, weeping and wiggling her hips. Joseph came to me and put his lips upon my lips.
So off to prison Joseph went at Potiphar's request, and there he met a cupbearer, a baker, and the rest.
The baker and the cupbearer dreamed some puzzling dreams. Tell me, please, said Joseph, God will show me what they mean.
In my dream, said the cupbearer, 3 branches sprouted grapes. I squeezed them into Pharaoh's cup. Could that mean I escape?
It could, said Joseph, smiling. In only 3 days' time, you'll serve again in Pharaoh's house, and all will be just fine.
In my dream, said the baker, 3 basketfuls of bread were eaten by a bunch of birds right there from my head.
Oh dear, said Joseph sadly. In only 3 days' time, you'll lose your head, and on your flesh the hungry birds will dine.
Both dreams came true. As Joseph said, then Pharaoh dreamed some dreams. I need some help, some wise man, please, to tell me what they mean.
I met a man, the cupbearer said, when I was locked up tight. He knew the meaning of my dream. He got it all just right.
Then fetch him, Pharaoh told his men. Bring him here right now. And then when Joseph came, he said, my dream's about a cow.
Joseph dreamed, his brothers schemed, and when it all was through, God dreamed Joseph's dream with him, and Joseph's dream came true.
Second part, right there.
I wonder where it will go next.
I know, because it always ends with Joseph's dream came true, so what's going to happen? Okay, I have a challenge for you both.
Okay.
Okay, so here you have 2 sweets,
Why, thank you.
and you have 2 sweets, see? That's fair.
Yeah.
Now, if you can wait for 2 minutes,
Okay.
then you can have the whole bag of sweets.
Whoa.
So, sometimes you might want sweets, and I might say, actually, no, because, you've just eaten, you don't need anything else.
Yeah.
Now I'm saying, yes, you can have sweets, but if you wait, it'll get better, and you'll get more.
Ooh,
Okay.
Okay, so I've got my timer.
So we can't eat them.
Can't eat them. If, when I come back in 2 minutes' time,
Okay.
they're both there, you get more sweets.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, start. Oh, what happened? Well done, Emily.
Yeah.
Good job. Where are your sweets?
He ate them.
Show me your hands. Show me your mouth.
Oh, they're well and truly gone.
Well, Emily, good job. You can have the whole bag of sweets.
What?
And Tabz, if you'd have just waited 2 minutes, you'd have had even more. But now I'm gonna have yours.
Woohoo! Ooh. So in this story, it is jam-packed with what happened with Joseph, of years of what happened with Joseph. At the very beginning, we see that Joseph is a slave. And then within that household, he becomes the top dog, the one that is in charge of that household. Then Potiphar's wife gets involved. Awkward. Then Joseph gets thrown into prison, which feels like a real step back. But in prison, he becomes again the top dog, the main person, the person that's in charge of everyone within the prison. Then he meets these two people, the cupbearer and the baker, and they have these dreams. And Joseph has a gift where he's able to interpret these dreams. So the baker, unfortunately, Joseph has to deliver bad news. But the cupbearer, he says, yes, you are going to be next to Pharaoh again. And when the cupbearer leaves, he says, tell my name to Pharaoh. Now, there's a little bit missed out in that story that we read from the incredible book of the Rhyming Bible. And that is how long Joseph had to wait for his name to be called. It was 2 whole years. That is a long time to wait. But he had to wait patiently. And during that time of being in prison, he was able to learn loads of things about himself, but also different skills that he's never learned before. But of course he wanted to meet Pharaoh so that he could get out of prison, but he used the opportunity he was in, and he needed patience. It says in the Bible that each stage that Joseph was in, whether he was a slave, head of the household, prisoner, head of prisoners, that God was with him always. And as a Christian, I believe that too, that he is with me always. And I believe that actually during the times of waiting, he can give me patience. Now you may be waiting for something currently. It could be waiting for an item that's going to be given to you. It could be waiting for a dream to be fulfilled. Or it could be waiting to meet a specific person. And in that time of waiting, I wonder how you're going to wait. Are you going to wait patiently, or are you going to moan? Because patience is the most important thing that you will ever learn.
Wow, what a really challenging message for us all about waiting and how important it is to be patient. Like Emily said, one of the most important things you can ever learn is to be patient. Because you don't want to end up old like me and still struggling to be patient, do you? Well, here's a challenge for you. Every time you find you've got to wait, whether it's waiting for some of the things that Emily said or something else, I want you to be thankful for that opportunity, because actually that's an opportunity to learn more patience and to practice more of that patience that we've been talking about. And practice gets you there in the end, doesn't it? Okay, so we'll see you next time for our next collective worship assembly. It's been great joining you today, and we'll see you soon. Bye!